Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good evening, and greetings from Sakpase Kitchen from Okap. Today we have a special dish. As you know, we not only do dishes from Okap in Haiti, we do international dishes as well. Today we have a chicken stir fry. We have a chicken stir fry going on here today. We have our vegetables and our meats, and these are all the ingredients that we've used. As far as our vegetables, we use all types of peppers: red chili pepper, jalapeno, green, red, orange, yellow, scallions. We use celery. We utilize carrots and broccoli. We also have garlic, thyme, rosemary, and garlic. And we also have some thyme here. For the chicken, we let it marinate with all our spices. As you can see here, we have pink salt, garlic, onion powder. We have hot sauce. We have here épices, which is a Haitian blend of herbs. We have turmeric. This is the special sauce we're utilizing, and we have soy sauce as well. We also have this, which is also a great bringing some kick into the game. In addition, we have some chili powder just to give the chicken a little bit of flavor. We're gonna get ready to start mixing everything together. Just wanted to show you all of the ingredients and what we have so far. Stay tuned for the second part of the video where we'll mix everything and we'll accompany the dish with some white rice. Thank you and stay tuned. All right. Welcome back to Sakpase Cuisine from Okap. All right, guys, we're back for part 2 of the video. We just started heating up our pan, just showing you the ingredients again. And here we go. So we put the pan on medium to medium high, and we're gonna put some extra virgin olive oil, or you can use coconut oil, but we have olive oil, so we're just gonna lightly coat the bottom of the pan like this. All right, give it a few seconds here. We have our sauces that we're gonna be reutilizing. I just want to show you the sauces again. And like I said, this is the main sauce here, but these are the sauces we're gonna use for our sauce for our stir fry. We're just giving it a few seconds here for our pan to heat up, and we're gonna start putting our ingredients in the pan here shortly. Okay. All right, guys. So, all right. Oh, it smells so good, guys. The smell is just delicious. Lower the volume a little bit. We don't want anything to burn. We're gonna start pouring some of our chicken in there. We're gonna cook our chicken till it's golden brown. Also, if you have a wok pan, you can do this in a wok pan. Woo! The peppers getting in your nose. All right. I'm gonna put a little bit more sauce. I wanna make sure everything is nice and covered. You can capture that flavor, guys. All right. I love this dish, one of my favorite dishes, very healthy, a lot of colors, a lot of flavors. That spiciness is gonna be a punch like a kia, you know. Okay. Got the cayenne pepper, giving it a little more kick. Taking up a few more notches, guys. That's how you do it. All right, guys. Nice. We got everything coated. All the flavors going into the chicken. Now you want to cook your chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes so you get that nice caramel brown and let all the flavors saturate in there. All right, we're gonna cover the lid for a little bit. Keep your eye on it. We're not going too far away. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna check on our chicken. It's been a few minutes now. Now, you want to make sure the chicken is nice and done and tender, golden, which you can see here. It's beautiful. Oh man, the smell. It smells so good, guys. Oh yes. And if you're not sure if your chicken is completely done, just take a small piece and give it to your assistant so your assistant can see if it's completely done. Be careful. The assistant said aye, so that means it's hot. Be careful, she's choking. That means it's really spicy. You can smell the heat. It really gets you. You want her quick or what? Our chicken is coming to an end here. I'll take some vegetables and starting to fry them as well. Oh, the smell is just The smell is so amazing, guys. Alright, I don't want to overfill the pot. So we're gonna just fry this portion of the meat and the vegetables and let it come together, stir it together. Give the pan a good shaking. You're gonna mess up your stove. It's gonna be a little dirty, but it's okay. That's why we clean after. But very delicious meal, very healthy. And look at the colors, guys. It's just very beautiful, smells good. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Sendiri buat apa?